Hierbij vandaag een nieuwe videofilm over de Italiaanse broekenfirma Incotex. Van Incotex bestellen wij elk jaar een mooie collectie broeken. En vandaag wordt het iets bijzonders, want vandaag krijgen we bezoek. De agent van Incotex, dat is Nicolo van Zetta, die komt hier naar de winkel en dan gaan we samen met hem een nieuwe collectie samenstellen voor zomer 2021. Today I make a movie from Harvie, a new movie. And today we have here Nicolo. Nicolo is from the company Incotex. He shows us the new trousers from the new spring summer collection 2021. And here we have some samples. And by every sample we show the new fabrics where you can make a choice for the trousers what you want to have in your collection. Nicolo, correct. Please show me some new models and samples for next summer.
So, good morning to everybody. As Russo anticipated, this is the new Spring Summer 21 collection, so will be available starting by the next year, delivered in March 2021. This collection is focused on the casual one. This collection we call Slacks. You can see from here the name and the label. Starting by next year we make a small change, because we used to deliver the slacks with a small tartar on the back, but now all the trousers has a new plate on the back, just to remember the army trousers. Because as you can see, the focus is more on the dusty and military colors. Okay. So
And this is a washed cotton.
this is a wash cotton. Now I give you a small overview about all the cotton and how we work.
Is this 100% cotton or
No,
with
no,
stretch?
we would like to always offer comfort to the clients. That's why all the fabric has a minimum elastane inside. So not that much, but for us the focus is, as I said, is comfort. So you can find a minimum of 2% of stretch inside.
2%.
Just to
And
give a super
this one is the same fabric quality as this one?
As this one, exactly.
Okay, and this is the long version.
Just to give you an idea how we work. So usually we try to offer different categories. For example, for the basic one, you can find all the normal historical gaccino, and I will show you also the color card. Just to remember to everybody how are they made inside. Even if we're talking about a casual trousers, you can see that in order to build up one trouser we need more than 35 different person. Okay, that's why also the price is quite high, we can say, but it's justified due to the big construction that we have.
So, but the price of a trouser is plus minus 290, 300 euros.
Yes, exactly. Just to give you an idea, going back to the basic color card, where this one is, phone is ringing. Just to give you an idea how we work. So we come here to Rudolph, we show, okay Rudolph, this is our basic chino, as you can see here. These are the colors that you can choose. As you can see, here we have all the prices, etc., all the models available. And what I suggest always, for example, of course, I'm not here to say all the colors are good, that would be stupid and not reliable. For example, the color of the year this season, as I said before, turning around the dusty colors and the military ones. So in my suggestion, a selection of color like this could be good.
Yeah.
We have the sensation that, maybe not, as you can see, of white, Rudolph is already
Yes, but the
wearing
best
off-white.
colors is normally the natural colors
As you can see.
as beige and brown.
Exactly. We are not selling navy anymore, especially here in Holland. Even if today, for example, I will completely
Yes.
total navy, but we understood that the final consumer, they want to have something different.
Oh, because normally the navy color is a good color for
See?
us. Yeah.
That also depends about the area where you
Yes.
are, etc. Because as you can see, you can have also different palette of blue, but especially in this color card, what we are selling the most is this.
Okay. So this is green, brown, dark
All the military
beige.
colors.
Yes.
I say again, this is our basic historical gaccino. which is gabardine, which is a particular kind of cotton with this structure, and chino is the basic chino trouser.
Okay.
So that's why they decide to make also this kind of joke, gab chino.
Okay. Is also this is with stretch?
Yeah.
Okay.
All the trousers are with
2%
this.
elastic.
This is in particular has 3% of elastane inside.
Okay.
Okay. But it's a very strong elastane because sometimes you can find a trousers that after 2 months, after 2 hours that you dress, you see the knees that are coming out.
Yeah. Okay.
But this one is very strong.
Yes.
So you can also.
And when you
see
want to
that
wash it, you have to wash it.
This is a very important point. We always suggest
and that way you have to wash it.
you have to wash inside out.
Yes.
Correct. 30 degrees
Okay, that's enough.
inside out
Yeah.
is more than fine.
Or you have to bring it to the cleaner.
Of course, if you bring to the cleaner, it's much better. They do dry cleaning, etc. But you know, home you can wash by yourself at home. 30 degrees is more than fine.
Yes, but it's possible.
Inside out. Remember inside out because all the trousers that you see here on the table are garment dyed, which means that they start at the beginning to be white. Then they put a big boil of painting.
Yes.
They put inside, and then you have this kind of color.
So
So
they
if you wash
first they
or
make
you-
a trouser and then they
Exactly.
paint it.
with all the details, and then they
Yes.
put inside, and then they paint it.
On that way you see also the bags inside is in the same color as the
That's
trouser.
right.
Yeah.
This is also the particularity
Yeah.
of our collection. The slash one.
Oh, this is blue. Yeah.
I want to show you also
Okay.
something different and something new because the world and what the people want is going through this direction. So this is another basic trousers, but here the focus is on the elastic one, because the idea is that we want to give comfort to the final consumer.
And I see that you don't have a zip.
We don't
but
have the
this is
zip.
with buttons.
With buttons, you have the elastic on the back, so you have a comfort when you wear it, so you don't show but you feel comfort. You have one small pleat because especially in Italy the pleats are super popular,
Okay.
and we notice that are coming also here in the north of the Europe.
Yes.
And then you have also the cord like that. So you have a jogging trousers that if you do like this and you hide, you can still go to the office. Okay, but then if you want to be a little bit more casual, you can maybe take out the cord, you can show a little bit more the pants.
Okay.
This is something.
And what is the size? This one is size.
This is a size 34. I can try for you in case.
Yes, I can try it also. Yes.
Okay. I can help you to read if you want.
Yes. Okay. You show something. I try the trouser now.
Please.
Yes.
So there we are. This is the trouser that I just mentioned.
Yes.
As you can see, come here that maybe you can see a little bit better.
Yes, but this one is a little bit too wide for me. This is.
In case I can try for you because I think that you need.
And normally I have 33.
Exactly. So this is upsize bigger. But just to give you an idea, here you have the cord. As I said before, if you want to be a little bit more casual, you can leave it outside, just to show, because you want to show that you're wearing a casual trouser. But you see,
it's very comfortable.
you are still super elegant because, especially this fabric, is B-stretch. Okay, so as you can see that you can also make a run with this
small
one.
plates here.
Exactly. Otherwise, if you like the fabric but you don't like the model, we can also choose the best fit for you without the pleat. Maybe you can dress something like that, especially flat front, etc.
But also it's possible to order this one without the plates.
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Of course,
But
of course.
also in B stretch, so very stretch
Exactly.
trouser
Exactly.
there for the sun.
I take
Okay.
also the opportunity to show you something different.
This is more army look.
This is more army look. I can try it for you in case so you can see the fit. This is the usual fabric that Rudolph used to buy, which is the cotton satin.
Yes.
You remember this one, the one
Yeah.
that you have at the moment?
Yes.
We made a little bit, we changed something inside this fabric. It's more soft, as you can see,
Yeah.
and you have 1% more elastane inside to give more comfort.
Okay.
Okay?
And what kind of colors we make?
I'll show you.
Just for
There you are.
this is the green one.
Yeah, exactly. This is the green one.
So
In case
this is in white, red, yellow, and blue. And we can make
we can make also in case
yes.
something like this.
Okay.
Sandy color is good, the military color is good. Also navy here could be fine. If you want to see, I can show you.
Okay.
So there we are. This is the cargo trouser that I just mentioned to you. So this is, say again, the fabric that you have at the moment in the shop.
But this is more slim fit than this one?
Yes,
or is
because this is, as you can see, the idea is to give more comfort to the final consumer.
Yes.
So you have a little bit more space here.
But you can use them.
This is more fitted, as you can see, is a new way to wear a cargo, because usually the cargo in the past were more, I mean, as you can say, more regular fit. This is more fitted, as I said. Slim fit, the button is 18 centimeter, okay?
And this is also 18?
And also 18 that one. But over there, as you can see, you have more space here on the upper leg, just to give more comfort.
Yes.
Okay. This is something that we're selling well.
And the back side?
The back side,
Two
you
pockets?
have two pockets with the flap.
Yeah.
Okay. We also offer the possibility to put inside, because sometimes the people, they prefer also to have a asymmetric pocket on the back. Just to be a little bit different from the exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Here you have another detail, because you have always the cord, so you can close like that. In case.
Yeah.
You always have the elastic on the bottom.
And the same color card you can use for this one as for this one, or is another color card?
For in this color card, for example, which is this one.
Also this one.
Exactly.
Wait.
That's
This is the red one.
This is the color card, as you can see here. You can do trouser flat front, you can do trousers with the pants, you can do the cargo, you can do as you wish, because we like to offer a big range of possibilities.
Okay.
Okay?
And this is the color card of.
This is the color card of the basic chino, the one that we saw before.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So how do we create the collection? So the idea is to try to offer always two different things for each category.
Yes.
So for the basic you can find something a little bit more dry touch, or something a little bit more soft, like the one that I'm wearing.
Yes.
So the looks from a distance is almost the same, but when you touch it you have a different feeling.
Okay. But first, okay, we make a choice for the fabrics, and then we take a look what is the good color. Is it also possible for you to tell something about the history of Incotex?
Of course. So just to give you an idea, let me see. Incotex is a company that has been founded in 1951 from the Compagno family in Venice. So it's an Italian company, 100% Italian company based in Venice. Okay. For more than 30 years, the Incotex was focused on the façon, which means that they made the trouser for several brands like Burberry, like Ralph Lauren, like Zegna, like Façonnable. After that, as I said, almost 30 years, the new owner, the son of the new one, Mr. Roberto Compagno, which is still the owner of the
Also on this time.
yeah, of course. He decided to create a total look. Okay, so the name of the company is not more Incotex anymore, but it's called Slowwear.
Okay.
Slowwear is the umbrella name. Underneath you have 4 different Italian brands. Each brand is focused on one category. So you have Incotex for the trousers, Zanone for the knitwear, Glanshire for the shirts,
Glen shirts, okay.
and Montedoro for jacket and outerwear.
Oh ja. Bedankt voor het kijken, abonneer en like en tot de volgende keer.